Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Adnan Civil Engineer. Today in this video we will see the calculation of brickwork. So let's start. For the calculation of brickwork, first we will take an example. Suppose we have to construct the wall having a volume of 1 meter cube. The size of the brick is going to use as, we will take a size of brick is 190 mm into 90 mm into 90 mm, and the mortar thickness we will take as 8 mm and the ratio of 1:4. So our calculation will be done in three ways. Calculate the number of bricks. Second, we have to calculate quantity of cement. Third, we have to calculate quantity of sand. So in the example, let's start. This calculation can take place in two steps. First, we have to calculate brick calculation and mortar calculation, because for the brickwork, for the calculation of brickwork, we require only three things. Number of brick will require number of cement, how many quantity of cement and how many quantity of sand we will require. So step 1, now we will take this brick size will be here as a 190 mm into 90 mm into 9. This is one of the standard size of the brick are used in the market. So step 1 we will do is the volume of one brick. Volume of one brick equal to 0.19 meter into 0.09 into 0.9. We will take in meter. So what's the value will come? Volume of one brick equal to 0.01539 meter cube. This is the volume of one brick, dry volume of one brick. Now we will take a volume of one brick with mortar. So our mortar thickness is 8 mm. So we add 8 mm thickness into we add 8 mm thickness into 190 mm into 90 mm into 90 mm. By adding 8 mm thickness, we will get 0.198, 0.098, 0.098 meter. So what the value will be 0.019 meter cube. Now we can get the by volume of one brick, number of brick in 1 cubic meter by formula equal to total volume equal to volume of one brick with mortar. So total volume is our 1 meter cube divided by 0.019 volume of one brick with mortar. So what's the value we will get? 526 bricks. Next, our step 2 will be the mortar calculation. So mortar calculation we will get by formula equal to volume covered by 526 brick into 1 cubic meter volume. Now we will take the total volume of brickworks. Total volume of brickwork. So total volume of brickwork we will get equal to number of bricks into volume of one brick. The number of equal to 526 bricks and volume of one brick equal to 0.01539. So what's the value we will get? 0.81 meter cube. Now we will by formula we will get the mortar volume. So mortar volume equal to total volume minus volume of one brick. Total volume is 1. Volume of brickworks equal to 0.81. So 0.19 we get as a wet volume. Now dry volume. Now dry volume formula we have to take a 33% extra of wet volume. So 0.19 equal to 33% of wet volume. So we will take as 1.33. So what's the value we will get? 0.2527 meter cube is the dry volume. Now we can get the cement value. So by formula equal to dry volume into ratio into density of cement in cubic meter plus sum of the ratio. It is a formula we have to obtain to obtain the value of cement. Dry volume equal to 0.2527 what we get on the above into ratio. Ratio is 1:4. This 1 will be this for the cement into density of cement. Density of cement we have to take as the value we want to get in kg divided by sum of the ratio. So 72.77 kg divided by 50 will equal to 1.5 bag. Has one bag of cement equal to 50 kg of cement. Next we will take as a for sand. For sand we will use the same formula equal to dry volume into ratio into 35.3147 divided by sum of the ratio, as we will take sand value in cubic feet, as 1 cubic meter equal to 35.3147 cubic feet. So dry volume is 2527, ratio sand ratio equal to 4, into 35.3147 plus divided by sum of the ratio. The sand value we will get in cubic feet equal to 7.1 cubic feet. Then the final result will be brick we will get 526, cement we will equal to 1.5 bag, sand equal to 7.1 cubic feet. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.